Elizabeth Taylor and Richard Burton. So he obviously gave her a diamond. I can't remember the carat. But unfortunately, going back to the story of blue sapphires, I think what caused Lady Diana all her misery was the fact that her husband gave her a blue sapphire. That's what I feel. Okay, diamonds are still a girl's best friend, Marilyn Monroe style, right? Next. So this is again a bit of old traditional jewelry, designs brought down to modern times. This is absolutely a stunning piece of jewelry because you see you've got the meenakari here and you've got this done in Pukhraj and you've got the rubies and emeralds and try to incorporate all the healing stones possible. Then you've got the pearl and the picture's not very clear, but you've got even amethyst, you've got gomet, you've got cat's eyes, you've got a lot of the 9 gems in this with a lot of kundan work at the back. Yeah, this is just a this is a kantha, you know, the typical Indian jewelry. Beauty. This is these designs are still being done today. That's an enamel kara with polkis. Jhumkis have been traditional, whether they're done in North or they're done in Indore or they're done in MP or they're done in Hyderabad. Jhumkis are a traditional part of an Indian woman's.
What would you call it? Kundan?
Sorry?
Kundan.
Kundan, I'll explain to you. Kundan is actually the art of embedding gemstones in 22 karat gold. See, when we say Kundan, we think of glass. But it's really the art, you know, what the artisan did is called kundan. Now, earlier they used to put glass, they used to put pukhraj, they used to use a lot of pukhraj. You know what pukhraj is? Just yellow sapphire. But today in the kundan the jewelry, we are using real polkis. Polkis are actually diamonds, but the cutting is such, you know, there are different polkis. You have the flat cut polkis, you have the triangular polkis, you have the vilandis. They're called vilandis because of the depth. They're called parabs, which are, you know, slightly, or, you know, a little bit more on the diamond type. You know, the pavilion is a little higher. So there are 3 types. There's a polki, there's a parab, and there's a vilandi. So these are the 3 types of diamonds which are used in kundan. Kundan is the art of embedding stones. But in the good old days, because you know we were using glass, they used to use a lot of glass. So they said, "Acha, ye kundan hai." Now they say jarao. Jartar was, I think, what we all had, jart. With the multicolored stones, I think most of us have some pieces of jart. This is actually the kind of jewelry that is done in Agra. It is done on agate. So what the Muslim community very well known as aqiq. Now they always talk of aqiq as healing stone. So that is it actually, it's agate. This is again silver with gemstones. This is a traditional South Indian set. See this part, you know, because the South Indians like to use a little bit more of gold. So in their jewelry you will see the predominant metal will be gold and then the gemstones will be just there to embellish it. But in the Jaipur Jarao you will see more of stones and a lot more of enameling. Here you will see, you know, there's a lot more gold. This is traditionally South Indian. I think we're done with the presentation. So could we have